This is Mountains and Manas. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. So first of all, I listed drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw this outer circle, and this outer circle has a diameter of 1.25 unit. Then we can see we have two semicircle here. One is radius of 1.25 unit and another semicircle in this here, and this semicircle has a radius of 1 unit. After that I will close this shape and I will extrude it to 1 unit from the mid plane. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 1.25 radius, diameter, 1.25 diameter. Okay, our circle has been done. Then we can see this semicircle and this circle has a total distance of 6.5 unit. So I'm drawing a center line of 6.5 unit. So I'm selecting this center line and drawing a center line of 6.5 unit. Okay, after that has been done, now it's time for drawing the semicircle. For that I'm selecting two circle, and the inner circle is 1 radius, so it will be 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, then the outer semicircle is 1.25 radius, so it will be multiplied by 2. Okay, so I need the semicircle, so that I'm going to draw a center line here and trim the extra portion. So I'm selecting the line tool from here and drawing a center line here. Okay, after that select the trim entities. Okay, and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. Okay, all the line has been trimmed. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 1 unit. So extrude bossing to 1 unit from the mid plane. Okay. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now if we go back to our sketch again, we can see we have two line. One is here and another line is here. For drawing this two line, first of all I'll draw a center line here, and from the center line I'll offset two line. One is here and another is here. The two offset line has a total distance of 0.75 unit, so the half distance will be 0.75 divided by 2, so it will be 0.3 325 375. Okay, then I can see we have another fillet here, and this fillet has a radius of 1 unit, and we can see another fillet is here, and this fillet has a radius of 2 unit. For this drawing this 2 unit radius fillet, we have to draw this extra portion, and for drawing this extra portion you can see that in our this sketch the total distance from this point to this point has a total distance of 3.5 unit. So from here I'll draw a half line of from here to here, 3.5 unit divided by 2. Then I'll draw a horizontal line. This horizontal line has a dimension of 0.5 unit. Then I'll draw another vertical line. As you can see, total distance is all the same, so this vertical line will be 0.5 unit. Then we have another horizontal line, and this small horizontal line is 0.75 minus 0.5 unit. And then I'll draw a circle, and this circle will have a radius of 2 unit, and from this point to this line I will make it a tangent, and from this point to this circle periphery I will make it a coincident. Okay, after that I will get this fillet shape here. Okay, and after drawing that, and before that we can see we can we have to extrude boss it to 0.5 unit from the middle plane. Okay, then we can see we have another slot here, and for drawing this slot we can see it has a total distance of 3 unit. So this point has a from this point has a distance of 2 unit, and its radius is 0.25 units, so the total distance is 0.5 unit, and it has a extrude boss of 0.5 unit from the mid plane. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and draw this two portion. For that I'm selecting the top plane here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. Now again same way, select the center line from here and draw a center line here. Okay, I have drawn a center line. Now select this center line. Now offset entities and now offset uh, two lines, and this offset will be 0.75 divided by 2, so it will be 0.375. Okay, make sure to click bidirectional. Now press OK. Now in selecting this circle, now make this combat interest. Now select the trim interest, and I'll trim the unnecessary line that I don't need. So I don't need this two line, so I have trimmed this two line. Now press OK. Now we can see we have a circular arc here of radius 1. For that I'm going to select the split interest and dimension it to 1 radius and select this two portion. Now press OK. So this two portion has been done. After that you can select the line tool from here, and as the total distance is 3.5 unit, so half distance will be 3.5 divided by 2, 1.75 unit, and it has a horizontal distance of 0.5 unit, then a vertical distance of 0.5 unit. Okay, then this distance is 0.75 minus 0.5 unit. Okay, so this portion has been done. I can dimension it like this way, so it will be more clear. Okay, now it's time for drawing the fillet here, and this circular fillet has a dimension of radius 2. For that I'm selecting a circle here, and as the radius is 2, so 2 multiplied by 2, so it will be 4 unit. Okay, now select this circle and select control click this line and make them tangent line. Now press OK. Now select this point here and select this circular periphery and make them coincident. Now press OK. Now select the trim entities, okay, and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. So I'm trimming the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. Then you can select this line, then this other lines. Okay, then use the mirror entities, and we want to mirror about this line. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now select the trim entities again and trim all the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. So it has been showing over dimension because we have done too many dimensions, so delete one of them dimensions. Okay, now we don't need to extrude boss this portion, so I'm selecting this inner semicircle again. Now make it convert interest. So I have got a convert interest of this circular line. Now you can select the trim interest, and I'm going to trim this line and this line. So it has given our shape complete. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss to 0.5 unit. So extrude boss into 0.5 unit from the mid plane. Now press OK. So this portion has been done quite well. Okay, let's go back to our sketch, and this time we need to select this upper face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now we need to draw. As we can see, this slot has a middle portion of 0.5 unit, so this upper portion is 0.25 unit and this lower portion is 0.25 unit. We need to extrude cut it. Okay, for that, first of all, let's, after selecting this upper face, now select the slot from here and draw a slot of, it has a distance of 3 unit and a total distance of 0.5 unit. Okay, now select the span dimension tool. Now dimension this line to this line, is 3 unit line. Okay, then the radius is 0.25 unit as usual. You can see 0.25 unit. Okay, now for this point to this point, the distance is 2 unit, so dimension to 2 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now is to cut. Now is to cut it to 0.25 unit. So I'm selecting the blind from here and dimension it to 0.25 unit. Now press OK. Okay, I am quite sorry. Sorry, this dimension is 0.125 unit. Okay, this histocut will be 0.125 unit. So 0.125 unit. Now press OK. Okay, we need to do the same thing in the other portion also. For that, I'm going to mirror it. So I'm selecting the top plane and now select the mirror. As you have selected the face as top plane, features to be mirror. I want to mirror this histocut one portion. Now press OK. So you can see our histocut portion has been done in the other side also. Now I symmetric it for a better view. Now we can see we have a circular cut here, and this circular cut has a diameter of 1 diameter. Okay, so I'm doing this circular cut one diameter. So now I symmetric it. Now select, right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 1 diameter. Now I symmetric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now is to cut. Now to cut it to through all. You can use the through all. Okay. Now press OK. Then if we look back to our this right side sketch, and we can see we have two circular cut, and this two circular cut has a dimension of 0.25 diameter. Okay, are they are used to cut to through all in this side and used to cut to through all to in this side. So as they are situated in the middle, so I'm select right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle and let me close this tree. Okay, if you hover your mouse, you can see that this point is the middle point. So I'm drawing a circle of 0.25 diameter, and again if you hover your mouse in this way, you can see the middle point here. Now you can dimension it to 0.25 diameter. Now I symmetric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now cut. Now cut it to through all both, or you can give a value manually. Okay, as usual. Then we can see we all the portion here and here has fillet, and we have fillet of 0.6 unit. Here all the dimension are inches. I forgot to change my dimension. You need to select the IPS option inch from here. As I have done in millimeter, so I am going to take it as millimeter. You need to change the dimension here in inch. Okay, so the fillet is 0.6 and 0.06, so I'm selecting the fillet from here, and the fillet is 0.06 unit. So let's apply. Okay, so I'm selecting this line. Now select this line and the other side arc also. Now select this upper line and this upper line, this lower line, and this solid upper line and slot. Okay, now rotate, and in the other side select this line. Now rotate, now select this curve also. Now press OK. Now I symmetric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.